Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will be learning that how to do evaluation of supplier on Alibaba. Okay, so what are the points and tips to evaluate a supplier? So we need to visit their company profile on Alibaba, and what we will be considering there and evaluating that in which niche they have specialization, reviews and rating, should be a manufacturer, and more employees. The company should have like high employees. As much the employees increase, so it like tells us that it's a big company and factory. And if we need certificates for a specific product, so they should be having those certificates. All right, and they should have an R&D department. So if you need any design patent, so they can help you in that design patent. We have discussed about design patent as well. So should have quality control team. It's very important. They should have a quality control team which are looking over while manufacturing the products, that they are having good quality and they are maintaining the quality. So for that, in factories there is a specific team which is called quality control team. So they should have that team. And location, so we should be watching the location of supplier as well, that the location should be near to coastal area. Okay, and check how you will check that where they are located. So you will just take that address from their profile and you will put that address on Google Map and you will get their location, whether they are close to the coastal area or not. So what's basic reason behind this? The reason behind coastal area, that we will be saving a good amount of money in transportation. If the supplier is somewhere far away from the coastal area, so we will need to take those goods from that area to the coastal area, and then we will have to ship it to USA or UK. So if we are getting a supplier which is near to the coastal area, so it's a good option that we choose that supplier. So let's go visit the Alibaba profile of that company. So we can open the profile of the company from here. You can just click it here and the company profile will open up, or you can here they are not providing the option now, but you can just click it from here and a company profile will open up. This is a company profile. Okay, so you can check it here. It is having trade insurance and 2 years. It's another company and it's from China and it's verified transaction, 150 transaction, response time less than 2, response rate 99%. And here is the supplier that we have opened before. This is the supplier company profile, and you can say a store, as there are stores on Amazon for brands. So same here on Alibaba, there are stores for the suppliers. So you can see here the supplier is from China and it is having 5-year experience and trade insurance and having 5 gems, and it's verified. All right, and transactions, you can see here response time it's 6 hours and response rate it's 94%. And top markets where they have sent these goods, so 40% of the buyers who purchased from them and they shipped their goods, so that's from North America and South America 10%, and Western Europe. So it means that they will be aware of the customs and rules and regulations of Western Europe, South America and North America. So they are already having some experience there, so it's an edge for us. So guys, else there is what we were looking for, that in which niche they have specialization. It's really necessary that we should check here. You can see the products. Okay, so we should check here that what's their specific niche. So it's almost related to resistance band, gloves, weightlifting and fitness. So it basically indicates for us that this supplier have specialization in sports product. That's why. And here it's written OEM and ODM. It have so back. So they are doing. We'll be discussing these two topics as well. So it is fulfilling the first criteria, that specialization of this. If we are sourcing resistance brand, so this supplier is having a good niche for what you can say, providing us more and more products in this specific niche. If we want to create a big brand with same niche like resistance band, and same we want some knee support or fitness equipments, so we can order from them as well in long terms. So like sometimes it happens that there are suppliers, you will find them that they will be selling the resistance band because it will be a hard selling product in those days, so they just like start trading that. Okay, they will be manufacturer, but they basically do not manufacture that specific product. They just become, in this case, a trade company. They are not basically manufacturer. They just list that product and then source it from any other manufacturer and supply it to you. So we should be sure and checking that all of the criteria, all of these products should be matching to our niche, so that if we want to extend our product line in future, so we can contact them and take help from them and take sourcing. Else that what the criteria is that reviews and rating. We should watch their reviews and ratings, that they may not be what like may not be cheating with the buyers that are dealing with them. Now we need to check the reviews and ratings, so we will come to the profile and then we will click on tab the company overview. Okay guys, so let's check the reviews of this supplier. So here we can see the rating for this supplier, it's 4.8, and we can read out their reviews as well here. Okay, so here we are having the reviews for this supplier, just as pictured. Great product, thank you, delivery was good, also extremely happy with the service provided. So you can read out their reviews, and you can also read out the 1-star reviews, that what happened, the person has given 1-star review. You can check it here somewhere. So basically it's fulfilling the criteria of reviews as well. The rating is good, 4.8, and should be a manufacturer, right? So you should keep this in mind, that the supplier should be a manufacturer. So here you can come and like in company overview. Okay, in company overview you can see here business type, it's a manufacturer and trading company also. So maybe some of the products they are manufacturing in their own factory, but some of the products that they have listed, they might be sourcing it from somewhere else and dealing as a company. All right, so that's why it's manufacturer and company. So let's see the third, fourth, more employees means big company. So the employees number should be like between 50 to 100, as it is showing here, like 50 to 100 people. So the reason behind it's that if the number of employees are less, so you can guess that this company might be a very small factory and they might not have that much production capacity. And if it's a very big company, so it might be a little bit difficult to make relations with such a supplier. So next criteria is that certificates. If we need any certifications for this product, so here the product certifications will be mentioned, but in this case there are no certifications, and as per my experience that this product will also not require any certification, right? The next criteria is that it should be having R&D department if needed, design patent, right? So yeah, this company you can check, see here its R&D capacity. This company is having an R&D as well. Okay, research and development, less than 5 people. So you can discuss with them while you want any design patent. So you can discuss with them and they will register the design patent for you in you can say in China. And the next point is that should have a quality control team. So let's check that if it's having a quality control. Yes, it is having a quality control team as well. No, sorry, there is no quality control machine for them. They are showing verified, but there is no quality control people. Like here they have mentioned less than 5 people, but I think they don't have, it's written verified, but you can check it furthermore and analyze. And the next is that we should check at what is the location of the supplier. So let's check that. So for checking the location of the supplier, we will be clicking here on contacts, and you can see here Operational address is room 11170011, and you can just copy this address, and we'll open the Google map. Okay, so they are showing us here is the supplier. So guys, it's not that much right address, so let's copy here. Okay, you should copy here these last three, and we'll paste it here. It might give us the right result now. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, so you can see the supplier is near to the coastal area as well. So yeah, so it's near to the coastal area. It's not that much far. So you should be checking all of these points and keep all of these points in mind, and let's meet in the next video.